Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Thank you for one subscriber that what I have. Thank you so much. And happy Friday to all of us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the another blessings, another help, another everything. Same as usual. Tumaas na naman siya. Taas na yung ano niya. Taas na yung buhok niya ulit. Ayun. Ang init na sa labas ngayon. Maglilinis na ako sa balkon. Okay. Ayun. Linis na tayo sa balkon ngayon. Kasi nga, Friday. It's Friday. Oh, you see? Ganon. Ano yung hindi maganda na yung camera ko pag mainit. Okay. Dito na lang tayo sa tanim ko kasi hindi na maganda yung camera ko. Parang blurred na. Oh, diba? Kaya ganon. Kaya dito na lang muna tayo. Pumasta na yung tanim ko, malaki na. Umaano na siya lahat. O, ayan. Oh, diba? Pagkaroon na siya ng malaking, ano. Malaki na. Ilinis ko nga pala yung camera ko kasi, ano. Ito yung ulam namin. Kaya, meron kaming magandang ano. Dito na lang ulit yung background ko para mag-message ako. Thank you ulit. Thank you from some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning until now. Thank you so much talaga na open-minded ng support kahit papaano, even we're not knowing each other. The best that they are helping to me until I gain my one subscriber until what I have now, and hours that what I have from the big 1 hour until now. Thank you so much talaga. And there's some blogger that you are already in the highest standard, highest stuff. Good luck and more blessings all of us that we are belong in the different countries. As of what I'm telling to my all families, including my mother's side and father's side, that we are belong in the different countries already where they are living with their own families. And ingat kayo lagi, Brad, and my all nieces that I have good luck. Mga apo sa tuhod, mga aunties, uncle, mga relatives, cousins, mga kababata, mga childhood, mga classmate, mga batchmate, all people, all relatives in my hometown, na kung saan ako galing, na nagiging party kayo sa journey ko hanggang ngayon. At sa mga amo ko, thank you for everything what you do and what you give to me, both side of family, my madam and sir, and that is life talaga, ganun naman. We are not the same. That is the most important, and that is talaga the legit real talk na we are not the same. We have an individual differences between our life, our journey, everything what we have. So thank you and happy Friday to all of us. Keep safe lagi. God bless and more blessings at all. Ang laking ganun na ito kasi na ano talaga ako nito. Tumaas na naman siya. Bye bye.